Hi, this is Betsy Delory. To demonstrate my enhancement number 5, go ahead and run my products controller, and I'll show that the pages validate. Add category, no errors or warnings. And new product, no errors or warnings. If I go to new category and try to submit with no data entered in the field, the client side validation will send out this field message to please fill out the field. And if I disable client side so we can see the server behavior, we get the formatted error message from the program based on the error code sent back from the server. If I go ahead and enter valid data, we'll add a category called bird calls, and there it appears there. If I go ahead, I'm going to run the product again so that we can see the client side on that. We will add bird cams, and both of those ads were successful. We go to the new product. On the client side, if I try to submit with no data, it'll walk me through error checking on each field. So I will go ahead and add a bird call. Not quite sure why that wants to put me in the middle there, but I better fix that. Okay, I went back and looked at my add product page, and I believe I fixed that indentation problem. So let's go ahead and try to add a product here. We'll say. So the problem was that my PHP block wasn't next to the opening and closing tags in the text area, which was causing me to indent there. So always something. And I better correct my spelling there and go ahead. Okay, so looks like I have all my fields filled in, except I haven't chosen a category. So what happens on the client side? The error checking for the category is not the same as the other fields. It does rely on the value that we set in that build category list. We gave it a value of nothing, so it comes back as empty from the server. So it will prevent the error from being submitted on the client side. But if I go ahead and I can add this product, now all the fields were sticky and were retained. So on the client side, congratulations, Beep was added successfully. Now if we go in, let's say we try to do the same thing. So we will okay, and then we'll go ahead and fill in the rest of the fields. But I'm going to go ahead and format this one correctly. And last, I don't know if you noticed, but I put in just 6, and we'll see what happens in the database for that one. So got our fields filled in. Looks like we're all good here, except we're going to leave that category open. And we're going to not validate on the client side. So maybe we should leave this one off too. What happens? We've got to provide information for all the fields. Okay, that would be correct. And we'll go ahead and create this product. Okay, high def was successfully added. So if we hop over here to our database, let's see, we should see new categories, bird calls and bird cams, and we should see 2 new products, which is, yep, the beep bird call and the high def bird camera. So I think that covers everything. I hope it does. Great lesson this time. Thanks for watching.